Now, please know that we're not interrupting your dining pleasure. We just have a lot of special business to do with a lot of special people to introduce. I'm going to turn your attention, please, to tonight's Golden Rule Award honorees. The first is an organization whose Golden Rule mission is to restore dignity and healing through love by providing free health care. I said free health care to the working poor and the uninsured. Let's watch.
Mission of Mercy is a primary care clinic. We're a mobile medical clinic serving the uninsured. We were founded in 1994 by a pharmacist who grew up in Scottsdale and her husband, who is a medical doctor. And they knew that the poor needed access to care, and they needed more than just a doctor's office to come to. They needed to have a place to come where they could have their dignity restored and receive the kind of healing that the whole person needs.
Mission of Mercy Arizona offers a range of services for their patients, from medical treatment to diagnostic and prescription services, all free of charge for the patient. With 7 clinics across the valley, we've provided over 200,000 patient visits and 300,000 free prescription medications for the most vulnerable in our community.
So Mission of Mercy, we serve patients who are uninsured or underinsured, patients that are out there that have no other access to medical providers other than like going into an emergency room. But even aside from their medical needs, patients come into us sometimes and they are hungry, or they need food, or they need assistance with utilities, or they sometimes just ask, keep me in your prayers. So for patients to be able to feel comfortable with sharing those intimate details about their lives with us, I think is also special. And I think that we just harbor an environment that allows for that. And I think that's one big thing that sets Mission of Mercy aside from other clinics.
Any day can be maintaining people so that they can go back out to their jobs. It can be curing people of an infection that's making them so sick that they can't go to work. So between the maintenance of helping diabetics and people with high blood pressure maintain productive lives is very fulfilling. And then you have that patient that comes in because they're so sick and they have no other place to go, no other options, and they're coming in here and you get to do that miraculous, here, take this pill 3 times a day for 10 days and you're going to be all better, and they are.
Over the years, we've been serving in the Valley for 23 years almost, and since that time, we've served over 57,000 patients in the Maricopa County area. Annually, we serve about 3,500 patients with about 15,000 doctor visits each year. And we also dispense a lot of medications, so those prescription meds that are needed to treat chronic diseases and so forth. That's about 30,000 medications dispensed every year to our patients.
Mission of Mercy is grateful to the Arizona Interfaith Movement for this esteemed award. Our clinic volunteers and staff embody the Golden Rule and our mission by treating every patient they serve with dignity and compassion. Thank you so much for this honor.
Every reason in the world to congratulate tonight's Humanitarian Golden Rule honoree, Mission of Mercy. And here to accept on behalf of the organization is the Executive Director, Paula Carvalho. Paula?
Thank you so much. Kindness, compassion, dignity, and love, those are all things that we could all use more of in our daily lives, right? And especially in these times, these difficult times. And so Mission of Mercy, as you saw in the video, our volunteers and our staff and our clinics, we get to live that golden rule every single day with every single patient interaction. And it really is a beautiful thing. And it brings a lot of joy to our volunteers, and it brings a lot of joy to our patients because we treat them just like we would want to be treated ourselves. And sometimes we treat them better than we get treated in our own doctor's offices, so it's pretty awesome. This wonderful event brings us together to learn about and to celebrate amazing individuals and organizations that live the golden rule every day and better the lives of the people that they're serving and the people that they interact with. So we count ourselves blessed to be among those honorees, and we thank the Interfaith Movement very much for this award. Thank you.